How to get your documents translated and certified online. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of getting your documents translated and certified online. Whether it's for immigration, legal processes, academic purposes, or business transactions, certified translations are crucial. Let's dive in. Certified translations come with a statement of accuracy signed by the translator or translation agency, ensuring that the document is a faithful representation of the original. This makes them legally and officially acceptable in various formal contexts. Certified translations are essential in several scenarios. Immigration authorities require certified translations of birth certificates, marriage certificates, and other vital records. Legal processes, legal documents like contracts, court orders, and affidavits need certified translations to be valid in court. Academic purposes, students and professionals applying abroad need certified translations of academic transcripts and diplomas. Business transactions. In international business, accurate translations of contracts and patents are crucial to avoid misunderstandings and legal issues. Now, let's walk through the process of obtaining certified translations online. First, identify the type of document you need translated. Different documents serve different purposes and may have unique translation requirements. After that, you need to choose a reliable translation service. Here are some criteria to consider. Certification and accreditation. Ensure the service is certified and accredited. Experience. Choose a service experienced with your specific document type. Customer reviews. Check reviews to gauge reliability and quality. One notable service is MotaWord, known for speed, accuracy, and affordability, offering certified translations in over 120 languages. What you should do next is upload your document correctly. Scan your document with a high-resolution scanner. Upload your document on our website, MotaWord.com. Get an instant quote for your project. Place your order and experience our top-notch customer service and quality. Once the translation is complete, you will receive it. Check for accuracy and completeness. Compare the translated document to the original. Check consistency in names, dates, and terms. Verify the format and structure match the original. If corrections are needed, contact our team for revisions via live chat. Let's address some frequently asked questions. What is a certified translation? A translated document with a signed statement attesting to its accuracy. Why do I need a certified translation? Required for official purposes like immigration, legal proceedings, and academic applications. How much does it cost? Prices vary based on document length, language pair, and urgency. Can I translate my document myself? Self-translations are generally not accepted for official purposes. That's it for today's video on how to get your documents translated and certified online. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.